Hi guys, welcome back. Yep, another video of me previewing a tool I plan on using in the near future. This time it's a reciprocating saw made by RYOBI. Good price. Bought it from Home Depot, 79 bucks, 12 amp corded. Hope it gets the job done. This is my first one, guys, so you know I'm excited about it. Really excited. Can't wait to use it. Hope I don't hurt myself. But I need it for that chain link fence I plan on tearing down. So this should get the job done. Never used one before, but you gotta try, right? Also, picked up these blades. I was hoping to get some Milwaukee blades or Makita. I think Makita. Couldn't find them, so I settled for this. About 5 of them. It's good for metal and wood. So the RYOBI comes with a blade, but you know that's not going to last long. And I'll be at the store buying more, so why not get them now, right? So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.